Hi everyone, this is David Sanchez. I want to explain you a new version of a flow that you can create for rolling up and count number of assets or any record in a standard or custom object using a lookup relationship. As you can see, this is an account. I've created a new field, number of assets, so you can create it in your account. What I want to do is, based on the assets that I have in this account, right? I want to count only a very specific ID, product ID in those assets. So I want to count not only assets, but only those related to a product. So based on this, then I can create something like this. I can offer a text based on this number of assets, right, using the visibility filter. So what you need to do is, using the existing video that you have in the internet, right? This is for the Salesforce admins, how to create a roll-up summary field. This is basically using accounts and projects as a custom object. So based on this, because this is from last year, so after 1 year with Summer'20, I want to use the record triggered flow. I will use when it's created or updated. What we are doing is based on the asset object, right? So I am exactly doing what was in that video. So I'm getting the records, I'm getting the assets. In this case, I'm filtering by a specific product. I'm getting all the records. Then I create a loop based on this get records. In this new version for Summer'20, you don't need to store the record collection variable, right? Because this is automatically done. Then you need to create the assignment. So you need to create a new variable, number variable. It's equal count, and then they get asset record. Again, you don't need to create the variable that was in that video because you have it automatically created because of the get records component or element that you have previously. And then the last part of it is the update in the account. So I'm getting the account that is related to the record ID. In Summer'20, we can use the record and the fields related to the record. So remember that we have been triggering the asset record. So this record means the account of this asset. And after that, I am basically sending the value from the variable, this is the variable, to the new field that I created, which is number of assets, right? So this number of assets will be updated if a new asset for a specific product is created. So if you activate this, you don't need to have a process builder anymore, right? Because it's a record triggered flow, so it will work. Let me show you an example. So as you can see, the number of assets now it's 0 because I don't have an asset which is free, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new asset related to a specific product, and the number of assets in the account will be updated. So this is a free benchmark product. So once you save, the flow builder is triggered, and as you can see here, number of assets is 1. And then what you can do is the builder in the landing page, you can have a visibility filter based on this new field. This new component, this rich text component, is using the visibility filter. Thank you, enjoy it.